This is a subway station tour on Utica Station. So it's gonna be a quick tour. See, there's the toll booths and stuff. Now, I did last year. I did a video where I just read on the elevator. Now I'm actually going to do a subway station tour. So, but we're not going down the stairs. We're taking the elevator. So, all right. There goes the escalator and the stairs up there. Here goes the elevator up here. Here's the elevator. All right, we're going down to here. Here we go. Down the elevator. It's probably gonna stop here. Better not. It probably will. Alright. I pressed the right button this time. This is the outbound platform heading towards University Station. As you can see, there's a tunnel. Now we're gonna go to the other side. Now we're gonna go to the other side. All right, now we're gonna go to S. There's a train coming from somewhere. Oh, from the south. What a surprise! I wouldn't be too surprised. Let's go down here. Let's go down this elevator right here. That smells like piss. Alright, going down the elevator. I'm trying not to record anybody because you know how YouTube be these days. It's going to get worse. What is that smell? I'm gonna take you to the end of the platform. I'm gonna take you to the end of the platform. There's a tunnel. It's very cold. It is also very cold down here. Alright, we'll go back up on the escalator. To the mezzanine level we go. See that they're fixing the escalator. right there due to escalator malfunction. So we're just gonna go up the escalator. Let's go. Went up the escalator, goes the elevator, that's right there. That is it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.